Assalamu alaikum children. Hope you are doing well and enjoying learning about fish and frogs. Welcome to another fun-filled lesson in science. Today you will learn about tadpoles and frogs. Let's begin. Let's quickly review the objectives of today's lesson. After today's lesson, you should be able to review the characteristics of a frog, know about the different types of frogs, and know the differences between tadpoles and frogs. Continue with the lesson to understand what frogs are. Frogs are vertebrates and they belong to the group amphibians. They live on land and in water both. Let's review the characteristics of the frogs. Frogs are carnivores. This means they eat insects like spiders, flies, ants, butterflies, and other small animals like snakes. They catch their prey using their long, sticky tongues. Now, children, do you ever wonder how do frogs breathe? Well, frogs breathe with their lungs, through nostrils on land. They breathe through their moist skin in water. Frogs move with the help of their long and strong hind legs. They have webbed feet which help frogs to hop and swim in water. Children, did you know there are 6,000 different species of frogs all over the world? Isn't it amazing? Let's learn something interesting about few most famous ones. The blue poison dart frog. It is considered as the most beautiful frog in the world because its color is just like sapphire gemstone. It is found in the forests of Brazil. The golden poison frog. It is the most poisonous animal in the whole world. It harbors enough poison to kill 10 grown men. It is found in the rainforest of Colombia. The purple frog. It is one of the oldest species of frogs, over 130 million years old. It is found in the mountains of India. Diane's bare-hearted glass frog. Glass frogs are called such because the skin on their bellies is so translucent you can see their organs. It is found near the Caribbean coasts. The desert rain frog. It buries itself in 4 to 8 inches of sand during the day where it can stay cool and moist, then comes out at night to feed on insects. It is found in the deserts of Africa. Wallace's flying frog. It has especially long toes with a great deal of webbing between them, allowing it to spread out to become 4 tiny parachutes. It is found in the trees of Malaysian forests. Wow, that was pretty interesting, wasn't it? Now go on to understand more about what tadpoles are. A tadpole is the larval stage in the life cycle of a frog. Tadpoles have some features that may not be found in adult amphibians. I hope you've understood the lesson so far. Now, let's learn the differences between the life of a frog and a tadpole. First of all, let's talk about the habitat of a frog and a tadpole. Frogs are found on land and in water both, but tadpoles are found in water only. The breathing between a frog and tadpole are different too. Frog breathes through lungs when they are on land, and in water they breathe through their moist skin, while tadpoles have gills for breathing. Now, let's look at how different the movement of a frog is in comparison with the movement of a tadpole. Frog uses its hind legs to hop around or to swim in water, whereas tadpole swims with the help of its tail. How different are their eating habits? Frog eats insects and small animals. It is a carnivore, while a tadpole is an omnivore. It eats algae and frogs' eggs and small tadpoles. Subhanallah! Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given such diverse characteristics to such a small animal. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. I will see you next time with another interesting lesson, inshallah. Till then, take care, stay safe, and happy learning.